Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can feature YouTube channel. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, you need to come over your YouTube and then you just need to come over this icon over here. Click on that. And after that, we just need to go over YouTube Studio over here. Click on that. After clicking on YouTube Studio, here we are in YouTube Studio. And now if you scroll down a little bit at the left side, you will get an option called customization. Click on that. And after that, if you click on Home tab, you can see that your Home tab is turned off. And if you turn it on, you will get an option called Layout and plus Add Section. So click on that. And then if you scroll down a little bit, you will get an option called Featured Channels. Click on that. And after that, here you will need to select a section title. So I'm going to name it as Awesome Channel, and then here we will going to search, like my favorite is Mr. Beast. So if I click Mr. and here is Mr. Beast over here. So if we just check it and then click done and click on publish, and you can see that if we now go to channel, so here you can see in my YouTube, here is that featured channel into our YouTube. So this is how you can feature YouTube channel into your YouTube. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.